Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to add to your home fitness equipment? Then you need this set of medicine balls. This is from Bintiva. It's a great set. They're super durable and they're awesome for adding in extra oomph to your home workouts. You can see right off the bat, these scream good quality. They're as professional as any that you would see in a gym. They're made to take a beating. No matter how intense my routine gets, these will withstand it. You can slam these, you can throw them. They will keep coming back to you, but without a bounce. What makes them really special is that they're filled with sand. So this really helps them to absorb the impact. That really lets you put your maximum force into these, strengthening your muscles in your core every time. I really love using these also just for adding in some weight for exercise. If I'm having a day where I don't want to go with dumbbells, you can use these for your lunges. You can use them for some floor core exercises. They're super versatile and they're easy to grip onto thanks to that texture on the outside. Having this set of 4 at a time is awesome. You can really feel your muscles strengthening when you go to the next level up, challenging yourself every time so that you can get more and more out of your home workouts. This set is awesome. It's durable. I love that it's professional quality, and that's my point of view.